The Stock and Finance News. I am your host, DBL Moms, here with you to share. And just so you know, you guys, before we start, we've got a 4-day special trial going on for our real time stock alerts on our private Discord, our real time stock news feed, and custom scanners. 4 days for just $1.99. Get that edge and click the link in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, and be sure to share the stream, guys. And I'd love to talk with you about things that are going on here. You know that the Fed Chair Powell says that tariffs lead to temporary rise in inflation. Apparently, Jerome Powell hinted at the growing risk of higher inflation and slower growth tied to unexpectedly large trade tariffs rolled out earlier this month by the Trump administration. He delivered some remarks apparently on today at the Economic Club of Chicago. Powell said, "What do you think about that, guys? I mean, give us a little sign in the chat and see what you think about what I've read here." And by the way, we're getting set for the holiday weekend here. You guys today, I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday afternoon. You know, in other news here, it says OpenAI is in talks to buy Windsurf for about $3 billion, according to Bloomberg News, which is interesting. Windsurf, apparently their ticker symbol's MSFT. And D.A. Davidson maintained neutral on Nvidia today, maintains a $120 price target. So he maintained it as a neutral, kept that 120 price target per share. Nvidia, of course, the ticker symbol is NVDA. And so I want to let you guys know that, markets are moving fast these days. It's like really microcap fast. So I just want to remind you that if you're not using scanners, real-time news, and smart alerts, you're trading blind. Our system spots low float runners before they fly. I'd like you to try it out. 4 days, just $1.99. The link is in the description here. Catch the move before the crowd. It'll get your edge on with your trading. Click the link in the description. Take advantage of this really great offer. 4 days, only $1.99 to get our real special alert system. Find us on TikTok at DBLNix. The screen name is Coach Nick Money. You can find us on Twitter.com at Coach Nick Money. You can find us on Twitch at Coach Nick Money Stock and Finance News, as well as shorts and all kinds of other really cool content. So just to let you know about that. Orphan drug designation for colchicine for treatment of pericarditis, which sounds like it's a pretty nasty sin. Colchis pericarditis is an inflammation, and so I'm getting ready for this holiday weekend, guys. What are you getting ready to do? We got Good Friday coming up and Easter. Have any plans, special plans for you guys? I see some are on the chat here and watching us here today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the stream with everyone you know, and let's share it up. An analyst, Stevens and Co. analyst Justin Long reiterated an overweight rating on the shares of JB Hunt Transport Services, ticker symbols, to $160. That's JBHT for the ticker symbol for Justin Long. I'm going to take a little drink here, folks. Hold on just a second. Goodness, the little throat leads a little bit of moisturizing there. Anyway, Jerome Powell protections. That was his point of view today. And the Fed Chair Powell also actually commented that U.S. financial system is well into the process of working out its problems with CRE, the complete Basel III Accord. That's according to Fed Chair Powell today. That's analyst Michael Baker of D.A. Davidson, maintained that buy and maintained a $415 price target. Alta's ticker symbol, of course, for you ladies that are familiar with the company, it's ULTA. Remember to share the stream, guys. Remember to share. Lava Therapeutics, ticker symbol is LVTX. And JFB Construction shares are trading So anyway, guys, if you have any plans for this weekend, let us know in the chat what you're doing. You find spending time with some family, doing a holiday weekend. It's kind of a quiet one, actually, just me and the family. So we're going to be spending some time just basically at home, just hanging out. XTI Aerospace shares are trading lower. The company provided its 2024 business and progress updates indicating this, and XTI Aerospace's ticker is XTIA. Anyway, guys, want to remind you that if you can get the edge with our real-time tools, our scanners, our alerts, and our news stream, our live news feed will help you catch up the momentum, and momentum plays early. Get our 4-day trial. We've got a special going on, guys, for $1.99 for our real-time alerts, our stock news feed, and our scanners. $1.99 for 4 days. The link is in the mission. What you need to know. It indicates here in the insights that throughout the last 3 months, 8 analysts have evaluated Allison Transmission, which is ticker symbol ALSN, offering a diverse set of opinions on price targets, revealing an average target of $103.75, a high estimate of $115, and a low estimate of saying that smart money is betting. Apparently, I've made a conspicuous bullish move on Walmart. Apparently, their analysis of the options history for Walmart, the ticker symbol is WMT, revealed 41 unusual trades. They delved into the details and they found 51% of traders were bullish. 39% showed bearish tendencies, and out of all the trades they spotted, 26 were puts with a value of $1,839,014 and being traded on the markets today. Put it in the chat. Let us know what you think. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Bell icon to stay notified of our content. And I wanted to remind you, all of you, that the markets move really fast. Like our stock alerts and our stock news feed helps you catch the momentum plays early. Get that 4-day trial for our real-time stock alerts, our custom scanners, and our news feed. $1.99 for that 4-day trial. The link is in the description, guys. Get that edge that's of interest to you. We'll keep on going here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day today, and I'd love to have you with us today. Cosmos Health reports fiscal year 24 revenue is $54.34 million, up from $53.38 million year over year. Apparently, according to Cosmos's income statement, the performance was of non-recurring gains recognized in the prior year. So apparently, Cosmos Health is doing dollars in fiscal year 2024 from 53 points. Margin was 7.92% compared to 8.15% in fiscal year 2023, and it reflects a greater mix of revenue from the lower margin logistics distribution segment. And totally operating expenses and compared to $26.18 million in fiscal year 2023. And this includes 40.26% reduction in general and administrative expenses. So they're doing pretty well compared to 2024. Cosmos, of course, their ticket symbol is COSM. Aptorum Group shares are trading. I gotta fix that. It's ticker symbol APM for Aptorum Group. Now, is Becton Dickinson gaining or losing market support? Looks pretty interesting. Becton Dickinson's ticker symbol BDX, short percent of float has risen 32.32% since its last report. The company recently reported that it has 3.79 million shares sold short, which is 1.31% of all regular shares that are available for trading based on its trading volume. It would take traders 1.85 days to cover their short positions on average. And so we're looking into Zotis's recent short interest. Now, Zotis, which ticker symbol is ZTS, its short percent of float has fallen 3.14% since its last report. The company recently reported that it has 6.90 million shares sold short, which is 1.54% of all regular shares that are available for trading. Based on this trading volume, it would take traders 3.42 days to cover their short positions on average for CTS. UBS maintains a buy on Suncor Energy. UBS analyst Lloyd Byrne maintains Suncor Energy, ticker symbol SU, with a buy and lowers the price target from C65 to $61. MSP Recovery shares are trading lower after the company reported a year-over-year decrease in fiscal year 2024 EPS results. Now, MSP Recovery is MSPR as far as ticker symbol MSPR. Fed Chair Jerome Powell says that the Fed's two goals are not yet in tension, but impulse is for higher unemployment and higher inflation. Just want to remind you guys to be sure to share the stream. Let's share it up, share the stream, and also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Put a little note in the chat. Let us know. Little jingle. Let us know. Put it in the chat. Let us know what's new. I want to let you know, guys, we still have that really great special, a 4-day trial on our real 4-day trial at only $1.99 gives you the edge on getting those markets that move fast, because they move microcap fast. If you're not using scanners, real-time news, stock news, and smart alerts, you're probably trading blind, guys. Check us out for yourself. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And just so you know, you can the screen name is Coach Nick Money. You can check us out on Twitter at x.com at Coach Nick Money. La Rosa Holdings shares are trading lower, and the company reported fiscal year 24. Oh, looking outside here, as I'm looking for information, I'm looking outside. It's a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. And how's the weather by you guys? It is gorgeous. It is getting to be springtime, guys. What you're doing to get ready for spring? Put it in the chat. You're gonna do some planting around your house. You're just going out and getting some new stuff for spring. Spring's coming, and I'm actually kind of glad, because let us know what you're thinking. Let us know what your plans are for the weekend. I might just be hanging out at the beach if the weather is nice. I mean, we'll just have to see what happens with that. But I'm hoping it's going to be nice out for Easter weekend. Well, it says here that Raymond James maintained an outperform on Johnson & Johnson. Raymond James analyst Jason Bedford maintained Johnson & Johnson, whose ticker symbol is JNJ, with an outperform and raised the price target. And Loop Capital maintains a buy on Shopify and lowers the price target to $120 a share. Loop Capital analyst Anthony Chacumba maintained a Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP, with a buy and lowers. And Raymond James reiterated a strong buy on Hancock Whitney, with a strong buy from $72 to $62. And Hancock Whitney's ticker symbol is it. Prepared remarks from in chip stocks is weighing on markets after NVIDIA said it was recently informed by the United States government that the administration also opened a probe into foreign drug imports and eyes tariffs under the national security tariff, quote unquote, on foreign pharmaceuticals. A Bank of America securities analyst mentioned that it, under the Trade Expansion Act of 1962, to determine whether importing certain goods threatens national marks from Powell at that Economic Club of Chicago. But also says here Barclays maintained an overweight on Enphase Energy and lowered the price target to $58. Barclays analyst Christine Cho, to $58. Stocks whale activity in today's session. Activity could push option prices large sums of money, and we track the transactions on the options activity here. So this is what they're a sharp decline in sentiment and Ranjan Sharma lowered the price target Esai Companies Limited, OTC ticker symbol ESALY, and Biogen Inc.'s amyloid beta monoclonal lecanemab is indicated for adult patients with a clinical diagnosis of mild cognitive impairment and or and non-carriers of heterozygote as funding 4-day trial for our having that special. Take advantage. Catch those momentum plays early. Scanners special. Take advantage. Catch those momentum plays early. Scanners for just $1.99 to your trading game. New content. Remember to share the stream, guys. We'd love to have that. And let us know what's going on and what you think about. Love to have that. And let us know what's going on and what you think about what we talked about today. Coming up, Roth MKM main what we talked about today. Coming up, Roth MKM main dollars. Roth MKM analyst Eric Handler. Roth MKM analyst Eric Handler maintains AMC, ticker symbol AMC, with a coin market AMC, ticker symbol AMC, with the coin market is very much alive, according to analyst Kayathi Dalal. It's very much alive, and can Dogecoin and Shiba Inu entering into a stronger, more refined phase, according to this analyst. And why is, let's take a look here, the Carlyle Group and Bluebird Bio shares are trading low, acquire the outstanding shares of Bluebird Bio. Bluebird's ticker symbol, of course, is B. Shares of Bluebird Bio. Bluebird's ticker symbol, of course, is BLELUE, and the Carlyle a neutral on Lyft, LYFT, maintained the $15 price target on LYFT with a neutral. Teradyne shares are trading lower after Morgan Stanley cut its price target on the stock from $81 to $69 and maintained an underweight rating. Teradyne is ticker symbol TER. Albertsons Company shares quarterly financial results yesterday. RBC Capital and Telsey Advisory reiterated outperform ratings on the stock. To stay notified whenever we're uploading and have some content. And remember to share, guys. Be sure to check us out on all of these at DBL Nicks. The screen name there is just on Twitch at Coach Nick Money as well. And just remember, guys, take advantage of that 4-day trial for $1.99. Click the link in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times and get an edge on your trading game. Thank you so much for and may success always be yours. It's Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again